Yes, sir.
Sorry. In fact, I was covering some important points also there. वो सब चला गया. Hmm. That is about this one, not this one, this one. I was telling you about the important points like types of credit analysis ratios. So whenever they ask you in the interview, be ready with this. That is liquidity ratio, leverage ratio,
Leverage ratio.
coverage ratio, and the profitability ratio. I am giving the link of this material, or I have already given, I don't know, in our PNB group. You can see from there what are the ratios covered under these four classifications. 1 minute. I will give that in the Punjab National Bank or newspaper also. I will give it ratios. These ratios we would have studied many number of times. Yeah. So very good. So this is, I have already given ratios here. Yeah. Now, if you read this once, with that, we will stop today's session. I don't want to bore you too much. Where are we now? Which one are we reading? This one. No. We were reading this one, this one. Yeah. Mr. Praful, I request you to read. Sorry, Taneja, how I omitted, I don't know. 261 to 280. You please read it quickly,
Yes, sir.
Praful.
Uh,
Yeah.
260, 261. What is the leverage ratio for bank? The leverage ratio for the bank is the ratio of the total capital in banks and their assets. 262. When will be the joint lenders forum created? A group of lenders known as the joint lenders forum is created when a loan worth more than rupees 100 crore turn out of to distressed asset.
What is meant by
26.
stressed asset? Praful, what is meant by
Stress
stressed asset?
stress asset means it's under a NPA.
Correct. Good. Very
Yes.
good. Very good. Please tell me 263.
263. Why were debt recovery tribunal established? Debt recovery tribunal were created to assist client in promptly recovering the debts owed to banks and other financial institutions. 264. What is known as return on asset? The term return on asset refers to a financial ratio that indicates how profitable a company is in relation to its total assets. 265. What is known as restructuring of a loan? Loan restructuring refers to making changes in the existing loan terms to help the borrower manage the repayment of the loan principal and interest due. 266. What will be the impact on the banks if they are under the PCA? Number one, impact the rating of the bank. Two, it can be accelerate the loss of the market share. Three, uh, hindrance to the economic growth. 267. What are the stressed assets? Stressed assets are such assets held by the banks and financial institutes that fail to liquidate in order to recover the money offered to the borrower. 268. What is meant by cash outflow? Cash outflow is the process of movement of cash outside the business, which is due to the various liabilities that business has during its course of operations. 269. What do surplus and deficit mean? Surplus means amount by which your income is greater than your spending, while a deficit is the amount by which your spending is greater than your income. 270. What is said to be underwriting? Underwriting is a process of examining the financial of a loan or insurance application to determine how much risk they pose to a lender or issuer. 271. What is the maximum amount that can be transferred to Nepal through NEFT?
Maybe it would have been revised. No, we don't know. But let
Rupees
us
2
read.
lakh, and
Hmm,
before it was a 50,000.
hmm.
272. What is known as standing instruction? Any instruction that your bank agrees to carry out on your behalf repeatedly is referred to as a standing instructions.
Hmm.
273. What is the purpose of BHIM? Bharat
mm,
Interface for Money. Bhim is the payment app that lets you make simple, easy, and quick transactions using unified payment interface. Bhim
mm,
is available in 20 languages.
mm,
274. What is deferred payment guarantee? A deferred payment guarantee is a guarantee undertaken to make payment of installments payable by the buyer of the capital goods such as machinery or on long-term credit given by the supplier. 275. What is deferred payment? Sorry. 270. What is the role of the MTSS scheme? Money transfer service scheme is a method of transferring only personal inward remittances from abroad to beneficiaries in India. 276. Who determine the interest rate of saving bank account? Individual commercial banks determine the interest rate of saving bank account, which usually varies from 3.5 to
no, 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 a
6%,
bit 2.5 to 4.
4%.
Mm,
Yes. What do you mean by the account reconciliation? Account reconciliation is the accounting process of comparing two sets of financial records. 278. What is known as shadow account? The account of the foreign bank as maintained in the books of the bank in India is called as mirror account or shadow account.
mm,
279. What is universal banking? Universal banking refers to a system in which banks offer wide range of comprehensive financial services, including retail, commercial, and investment banking.
mm.
280. What is the minimum and maximum maturity term period for fixed deposit respectively? The maturity term of the fixed deposit account ranges from minimum 7 days to maximum 10 years.
Thank you, thank you,
Yes.
thank you so much.